Hey folks, in this instructional video we'll be looking at using add-ons in Google Docs, and the one we're going to use today is to do a bibliography for a research paper. And so here's what we'll need to do. First, if you don't have a document, you'll have to create a document, go down to document, click on that, and you will start a new document. I've got one that I want to use, and so mine is about a 5-paragraph essay and some of the components of that in order to lay it out. The next thing I need to do is I need to get an add-on. Excuse me. So the add-ons are right here. If I want to get an add-on, I simply click on add-on. That's what you should do. And in this case, we are trying to do a bibliography. You're going to look for an orange one that says EasyBib, like this one. Now yours, this green button will say free. Click on free. And then you'll add that. For me, I've already got it, so I don't have the free button. What I will do is I'll add a different one. And I just clicked on free myself. That should open that up. Gives me a box. I'm giving permissions for Google to get all of these things. I click accept, and automatically I'm going to have an add-on. Now when I look under my add-ons up here, there's the one I just added. But typically you'd have to go onto your add-ons and look. EasyBib should be on yours right now. EasyBib is the one we just created. You're going to manage your bibliography, and yours will be blank over here. We'll see what mine looks like. I've got a couple of things already that I've been looking up. Now here's a little trick that I like to do that makes this a little easier. If, for example, you have a web page open, if you have tabs like this, you can grab those tabs, drag it out to the side, and drop it. That will create a new page. Now what I like to do is make it so that I can see my bibliography. So I go back to the tab that has my page that I'm working on, click on this web page, and that is called being tiled, so I can see both at the same time. But I can make this pretty large and still see my EasyBib. And that's really good. So I can click on this page in order to get back to my document, or I can click on this page in order to get back to my website if I'm doing research. And so let's say this page is one that I want to make a bibliography for. First thing, make sure you are in web pages if you are doing a bibliography for web pages. Second thing, this is really easy, click on the web page that you're on, grab the little picture in front of the URL, which is the web address, grab that little picture, drag it over here, and drop it right into your EasyBib search bar. Search for that website. This is the website. Click select. It automatically added my website, and there it is at the bottom. When you click on add bibliography, it adds it to the bottom of your document. You can wait until the end in order to do that. If you don't want to wait until the end, it's no problem. You can do it at any time. If I want to get rid of one of these, I can click the X and it goes away. But watch what happens when I add my bibliography to my doc. It put it at the bottom, if you can see that. It's added the entire bibliography, it organized it, it put it in the correct way. I notice that I have two that are the same because I did that same page twice. If I click on the X, it goes away over here, but it doesn't go away over here until I push the red button. This red button syncs this with this, and so now it's the same. So you're able to do this in MLA style, APA style, or Chicago style, depending on what your teacher wants. In addition to that, if you want to get rid of this, you can simply exit out. It's not going to leave your page or your document. It's just simply going to leave the site. If you want it back, you go back to add-ons, EasyBib Creator, and you manage your bibliography. It'll come right back to the side for you. Now here's another thing that I wanted to show you. If you happen to have bibliography in add-ons, or I'm sorry, not a bibliography. If you had an add-on you didn't want anymore, for example, this grading help, I don't think I want that one anymore. I can manage my add-ons, and it will show me all of the add-ons that I currently have. I don't want the grading help anymore, and so I'm going to manage that and remove it. If there's a problem with it, you can report an issue, you can get help and they'll give you instructions, or you can use it in this document and it will just open it up like we did EasyBib. I'm going to remove it because I no longer want that one. It shows free, so I can get it again if I'd like to, but it's no longer part of my add-on. So you can see now I only have 2. So good luck using add-ons, and specifically good luck using EasyBib. It's a great program that allows you to make bibliographies in a very, very easy way.